All right, welcome back. Now let's turn our attention to the possibilities and theories with respect to the Himalayan disaster and what could have possibly led to the disaster. Now, officials from the Geological Survey of India they have hinted that the glacier may have ruptured before this incident.
Prima facie, it is a glacial calving. They call it as a calving of the glacier at a highest altitude in Rishi Ganga and Dhauli Ganga area, in the upper reaches of that. There could be many triggering factors. One could be the moraines, which is below the glaciers, that has led to move. That could be slope failure, that could be triggered by some landslides. Today we are on a winter, so it is not melting of glacier also. So there are multiple causes. एंड दिस आर ऑल टेक्निकल रिपोर्ट्स कि यहाँ पे एक फनलिंग इफेक्ट काम करता है क्योंकि वैली बहुत नैरो होते हैं. तो व्हेन देयर इज अ सडन इम्पैक्ट, दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल से दैट इट इज एन आउटबर्स्ट. व्हेन देयर इज अ सडन इम्पैक्ट, अ लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर गसेस थ्रू अ वेरी नैरो वैली. दैट इज व्हाट एक्चुअली कॉजेस द इम्पैक्ट. अगर वाइडर वैली होता, व्हेन रिवर इज इन द फ्लैट प्लेन, यू गेट अ वाइडर वैली, सो वाटर गेट्स डिसिपेटेड. By the time the water comes out of Himalaya, it becomes very flat, very slow, very sluggish. So there is a huge amount of energy is because of the sudden outburst and a very funneling effect of kind of thing. That's number one.
In 2019, there was a PIL that was filed by local residents on the Rishi Ganga hydroelectric power project, which was washed away during the glacier burst disaster. Now, the PIL accused the firm involved in the project of using environmentally hazardous practices, accused the firm of damaging the Nanda Devi biosphere by using explosives, and further pointed out blatant stone crushing was taking place on the riverbed. The Uttarakhand High Court, which heard the PIL, banned the use of explosives in the Nanda Devi biosphere, but the court also exonerated the firm that was involved in the project, citing no evidence found on illegal mining practices. So, Afrida, if you can take us through this, details of this PIL in terms of what exactly the court had said.
Absolutely. Let me take you through both the things. First, what the PIL says and then what the court says quickly. So what the PIL says, now remember the locals even now are saying that this Rishi Ganga hydropower project was built in contravention of environmental norms. This particular public interest litigation was filed in 2019 by locals against the firms involved in the project. The firm is accused of unfair and hazardous practices. It is accused of using explosives to blast mountains and rocks for mining. Sensitive areas around the Nanda Devi biosphere were damaged because of it. Blatant stone crushing also happening on the riverbed, and the project's waste dumped into the Rishi Ganga river, which